Welcome to your next technology resource lesson using Win in Time. Win in Time is a website that allows you to create timelines easily. Timelines are a great way to present information in a visual format but keep it structured and linear. Here are a few examples that I have created for your reference. Notice that each event can be selected and an external website will be opened. Your first step is to create a Win in Time account if you don't already have one. The best way to do this is go to www.winintime.com or use the link provided for you in the lesson. You can sign up for an account by using your Google account or use the username and password feature. Once you have logged in to Win in Time, select the yellow Create Timeline button. A page will appear that asks for the timeline information. You will need to use the title College Timeline and then type in the same title into the timeline URL option and then select the Check Availability button. Next, you will need to add a description of the timeline, and for this assignment you will need to type the name of the college or university you will be giving the brief history of. In the Timeline Permissions options, please make sure you keep the selection of visibility as anyone and editing as only me. Finally, select the green Create Timeline button. A page congratulating you on creating a timeline will appear and give you an opportunity to change several items including template, theme, or to add events. Notice, all of these options can be changed at any time. First, you need to choose a template. This adjusts how each event is viewed on the overall timeline. You can preview this template in a new screen, and once you have chosen a template, select the Apply button. Next, you will need to select a theme. You can preview this theme in a new screen, and once you have chosen a theme, select the Apply button. Remember that these can be changed at any time. Once you have chosen both your template and theme, you will need to add your events. To add an event, select the Add Event option on the left-hand side of your screen. This will give you several options for how to add an event. You can choose Single Event, which allows you to select a single date. Range Event allows you to have a start and end date. Several other options are available as well, including Twitter, RSS feed, YouTube, and Google+. For this assignment, we will just work with the single event feature. Type in the title and then a description of the event. If you want to have this event open as a web page, you can use the event source URL. You will need to select the year, and you can even add the day and time, although this is not required. You can add an image by uploading one from your computer or copying the URL link from the image from a website. You can also add additional website links or images and videos. Once you have completed filling out the information for the event, select the green Add Event button. Once your event is added, you can always edit it, and if you want to preview your timeline, you will need to select the Preview Timeline link on the top left side of your screen. To go back to your timeline homepage, select the My Timelines button at the top or on the left side of your screen. From this page, you can edit or delete the timeline, make private, add and edit events, or review any contributed events. To get the link for your timeline, just click on the timeline and select the URL link at the top. Make sure you read your Create a Timeline assignment to get all the specifics on what you are required to do in this assignment. Refer back to the example that I've given you in the assignment for reference. Win in Time automatically saves your timeline once you have created an event, so you never need to worry about forgetting to save. In Blackboard, choose the Write Submission option to open a text box. Write the name of your timeline, last name - college timeline, and then highlight it. Choose the Insert Edit Link icon and then paste your timeline link into the link path box. Make sure you select the target choice that opens this link into a new window. Click Insert and it will underline the name, denoting that it is now a hyperlink. You can change the color by highlighting the name and choosing a different color. Once finished, click the Submit button to complete the assignment. If you have any questions about this assignment, please don't hesitate to email your instructor. You can also check out YouTube videos to help you with questions concerning Win in Time.